Hello everyone, MPX AUTOS is James here. How are you today? In this video, we'd like to share how to remove the factory radio in a Toyota Landcruiser, and this one is 2002, end of 2002 to 2006 model, which is very famous and well-known model in Australia, same as many other country. Now look at this. It's like this: air conditioner, radio, and factory dash. So the tool to remove is very simple. We need something plastic removal tool. You can get the smaller one like this, half size will be fine, no fancy thing. But I have a fancy one today, big one, so it helps. It's the same way as you have the small one. Just a bit careful when you do the job, because all the part here, they are older over time, and it might be under the sun for enough time that it might be very dry. So try to be gentle and don't push it too much if you have a smaller plastic remover too, because it might crack, which is very common that we see many of the old car with the crack panel. So just try to push it and gentle with it, okay? You will get it out. So the second tool will be the screwdriver, this, or you can get a 10mm socket as well, not a problem. Now we can start from here. With the big one, I can start from the top, slide in and push, and slide the bottom and push. You can, with the small one, you can go from the bottom as well and push it out gently around this bit. It will come out, and you can see the back looks like that, so you can understand how actually the portion in the position of the part behind, and you can put your own plastic removal tool behind this panel and push it out gently without enough force, without damaging the part. Important you don't damage this thing. And after you get it out, just unclip it from there, and it will unclip this one on the side here, okay? So that one will get the car into the four-wheel drive mode there. The one on the left here, it has this frame. Do the same thing around the edge and push it out. There's no cable on this side, so just put it outside, and then now you will see some of the screw over here, which actually there's the factory one. In this one is his. You can unscrew it. One here, two, three down there, and four down there, okay? So four of them, and then is ready to be out. And to get this one out, you can put one of the cloth on the top of the gear stick, and you can press the zip lock and put it backward until you open the area here, and pull this one out enough time, enough space, and then make sure that you hold it at this position, because all the cable behind, there's three, you can see three of the white cable there. It is pressing the tap on each one and pull it out. Now after you pull out the bottom one, you want to know that the other two one, okay, for the head unit, actually it stay with the tap downward, so you have to press your finger upward to release the two main cable, which is those one from the head unit here, or otherwise you can turn over the head and press it and remove. And then there's one radio antenna there, and unplug it, and then this one will come out, and here we go. That's the back look of this. And then you look at that, and now we can start doing any job that we want to do, which in case we are doing 7-inch upgrade for this car. So stay tuned, we'll see another video soon on this one. Thank you.